How would you like to make money within possibly the next few minutes using nothing but artificial intelligence completely for free? If that sounds cool to you, stay tuned. I got something very special to tell you about my review of the AI sales empire. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Heimer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm one of the very few people who can call successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
Concierge of crime, man in the hat.
Now, if you're new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that I tell stale dad jokes. I get it. They're boring, but I like my jokes, so I tell them all the time over and over again anyhow. Go figure. But anyway, seriously, if you are new, what I do here is two things. Review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would just such a theme? Might as well. It's very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
Newman. That guy is driving me crazy. Along with all these other characters, you know, there's a whole rotating cast now of people talking about crap in my videos. Guys, nobody wants crap. Stop talking about it. Anyway, seriously, with his work here, if I like the project, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you see, Liz, she is a sweetheart. I absolutely love Liz. You know, she used to be my fellow New Yorker until I moved here to Western Pennsylvania. We have a beautiful house, and I absolutely love this place. It's currently snowing outside, and it's just gorgeous looking at the snow, although I'm not looking forward to having to salt the sidewalk if the snow sticks, but hopefully it won't. Anyway, but seriously, it's a beautiful, beautiful house, and I'm so very, very grateful for the fact that I get to live here. And I want you to have the same kind of things, and I do believe this is going to help you out. Let's get right into this. I'm going to tell you all about it in AI Sales Empire. Okay, so looking right now at the website for the AI Sales Empire, as I said, this is from my friend Alessandro. Now, this is a really, really cool new course from Alessandro. Basically, Alessandro has gotten really excited about artificial intelligence, where he's going to teach you how to make stuff using free software, which creates artificial intelligence images. Now, he released his AI art empire about a month or two ago, and I actually released a video, companion video, showing you how to get deals on various products that you can actually put your art onto. Now, Alessandro kind of took that a step further, and in this course, he's actually showing you all different ways you can profit off of artificial intelligence artwork. And again, you can do this completely for free. You don't have to spend any money to use it. If you want to get extra stuff, you can spend a little bit of extra, but it's really not that expensive. Now, before I show you the members area, I do want to tell you about my custom bonus. So what I did last time, I made a video showing you a secret website that I found where you can get deals. For example, you can get, like I showed last time, a custom-made mug with the Enterprise on the Starship Enterprise, which I pay like $2 and can be sold for like $20 on eBay. And basically, the idea was that you could go ahead and take some of these art images and go and actually use them to make these kinds of things and sell them. And I showed how exactly that's done, how to find these things, how to source them, how to sell them, the whole 9 yards. So what I did for my custom bonus is two things. First of all, that video is back, but this time it's going to come with PLR rights, which means you can actually sell my video to somebody else. You can give it away as a bonus. You can use it as your own product, whatever you want to do with it. You're welcome to use it. The only thing you can't do is convey PLR rights of your own. But I also just made a companion video to this because I am all about saving money. And one of the things I've actually done to make money online is to source stuff for cheap and go ahead and turn around and sell it for a huge profit. So for example, the video I just made, I was showing a website that I just discovered completely by accident. It happens to be snowing outside as I'm recording this video. And so I happened yesterday to be looking for cashmere sweaters. I love sweaters. I own probably about 20 of them. I'm currently wearing one right now. It's one of my favorites. But anyway, and it happened to be, I found a website. Unfortunately, it was already out of stock when I found it. But I found a website where you could get high quality cashmere sweater for $5 each. And I mentioned in the video how exactly I came across this website. And it's not listed on the website that I told you about in the previous video, but if I come across it in time to be able to buy in, I would have gone ahead and bought myself at least 20 of those, invested $100 in them, and turn around and put them up for sale on eBay for 20, 30 bucks a piece. Easiest money you're ever going to make, because if you take a look at eBay, I can even show you right now, because I was looking on eBay for cashmere sweaters. They are expensive. Okay, so cashmere, whoops. Cashmere sweater, here we go. Okay, you can see the kind of prices that these things are going for. And these aren't even 100% cashmere, by the way. Most of these are not cashmere sweaters. They're basically cashmere and cotton blends. So it's basically, if you take a look like this one, for example, J. Crew is only $16. But if you take a closer look, you're going to see, let me see if it's showing me the, here we go. Check that out. 95% cotton and 5% cashmere. And that's selling for $16 and it's used. So you can just imagine a cashmere sweater that's brand new, that you could easily sell them. And it's a good quality brand. I'm not going to say which brand, but it was a good quality brand from like a high-end store. Just happened to be on clearance, and I found it in a particular way that I find things. You could easily turn around and sell those for 30, 40 bucks a piece. And when you buy them for $5 each, sell them for 30, 40 bucks a piece, you literally going to make a killing doing that. And I show you all kinds of different websites that you can use to do this kind of thing. It's called arbitrage. It's very, very easy to do. And there's deals to be had all the time. You just have to have your eyes open for it, to look for these things and know what to look for. And it's all in that bonus video. And again, you're going to get PLR to both that video and the original video as my bonus when you pick up AI Sales Empire. So let me go ahead and check out the members area here real quick. I'm going to show you, first of all, how to use the AI generators. There's a few different websites he's going to show you. He's also going to show you how to make apparel, how to make Kindle covers with them, paperback books, all kinds of different things you can do with it. And again, I'm going to show you additional stuff that you can do with these things, as well as my custom hack that I show you, including my triple dip strategy, which is very, very cool. I explain the triple dip strategy where basically not only do you get stuff on sale, but you actually get like triple cash back as well. There's a particular method that I found for doing that, which I share with you as well in that particular video. And it's exclusively from me. Nobody else has got that available for you. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, you rock. Okay, I really do like this a lot. The guy behind me, if he wasn't a painting, he'd be tipping his hat, but I will tip my hat. As always, Alessandro does great stuff, and I think that there's so much possibility with AI art. Really excited about this thing. Grab this, you're going to love it.